Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you and your family member are safe at home. Yes or no? So, in this Corona crisis, your learning should not stop. So that's why we are working here. You should not distance from your study. Okay. So in the previous classes, okay. So already we have discussed about the digestion in the grass eating animals. Yes or no? Today I am going to discuss digestion in amoeba. Okay, so write down digestion in amoeba. Okay, so already you know what is digestion. Okay, so in your mind a question is coming in, what is amoeba? Yes or no? So amoeba, it is a animal. Okay, so it is a animal, unicellular uh, animal. Okay, so write down. So amoeba is a unicellular. Okay, unicellular means one cell. Okay, one cell, unicellular, micro. Okay, micro organism. Okay, so unicellular microorganism. Okay, so micro means this amoeba animal we cannot see with our normal eye. Okay, so it need microscope. Okay, so it need a microscope. So with the help of a microscope we can see the amoeba. Yes, so it is a very small animal. Okay, in your normal eye or without your normal eye you cannot see the amoeba because it is very small. Okay, so that's why it is called a micro means very small. Okay, microorganism. Where we can found the amoeba? So we can found this animal in pond water, or you can say fresh water. Okay, so write down. It means who? Amoeba. Okay, it lives in the pond. Okay, pond water, or you can say fresh water. Okay, pond water, or you can say fresh water. Fresh water means the water which fresh water means we are drinking proper, which water we are using, these are called fresh water. So water is two types, one is salty water, another is fresh water. Fresh water means madhur jal bolte हैं ना. Okay, so it lives in the pond water. Okay, where you can find the amoeba. So you can find the amoeba in the pond water. Okay, so amoeba is a unicellular. Unicellular means it have one cell. Okay, the body is made of one cell. Cell means in your mind question will come, what is cell? You think. So have you observed the wall of the building? Yes or no? So the wall of the building, how it is look like? Yes, na? Yes, it is look like, yes, na? So many bricks is there, na? It is made up of so many bricks. Yes or no? And so many bricks with the iron rod. Okay, and concrete. Yes or no? So the wall of the building is look like this. So cell. So each part is called a cell. Why? Because our body, you think our body, it is made of it is so many number of cell. Okay, so our skin. Okay, so your skin it is made of so many things. You observe the wall of the building, then only you understand. So it is made up of so many number of cell. Cell means it is called house. Okay, so it is one house. So these are the bricks. Okay, so these are the bricks means itangi. Okay, so our house is made up of so many bricks. So like a cell in our body, it is made up of so many cells. Yes. So you think about the amoeba. Okay. So amoeba is a unicellular, means the body is made up of one cell, single cell. Okay. So one cell or single cell. Yes. So this is about the introduction about the amoeba. Okay. And write down. It has a cell membrane. Okay. A round nucleus and many small vacuole. Okay. Small vacuole. So in your mind, okay. So it is means amoeba. We are discussing about the amoeba. So it has a cell membrane. What is cell membrane? So the outer covering of the amoeba. Okay. So amoeba, what is there? So the outer covering. You think this is it? This is the amoeba. Okay. So this is the amoeba and the outer covering. Okay. So this outer covering is called a what? Cell membrane. So it is protect the animal from the the amoeba. You think about the human. We have a cell membrane, yes or no? So our skin is a cell membrane. So it protect our body, okay, from the outside attack or outside injury. Yes or no? So clear about the cell membrane. So it is the outer covering of the amoeba. Okay. So and it has a round nucleus. Round means circle like a nucleus. And nucleus. What is the function of a nucleus? Nucleus help in the cell division. Okay. So when they make one from one amoeba to so many amoeba, at that time the nucleus is changes, here one part, here one part. Okay. So nucleus help in the cell division. Okay. Then many small vacuole. Vacuole means it is storage. Okay. Vacuole means it is stomach like structure. So it is store the food material inside the stomach. Okay. Clear about the cell membrane, nucleus and vacuole. Vacuole is a small like small rounded like structure which is store the food material inside the body. So this is about the amoeba. Then how digestion is happen in amoeba. Okay. So then come to how digestion happen in amoeba. Yes. So now I am going to draw the structure of amoeba and how digestion happen inside the stomach of amoeba. Okay. So clear, amoeba is a unicellular microorganism. Yes. So listen. So this is the structure of amoeba. Okay. So what will happen? So these amoeba are staying where in a pond. Okay. So what will happen? How they take their food inside body and digested. Okay. So what will happen? Amoeba especially it eat small insect and small fish. Okay, and some water like food. Okay, so they are especially they are eating liquid like food. Okay, because they are staying in water, pond water. Yes or no? So what will happen? This is a you think about this is food material. Okay, so while the food material reach to the amoeba, they have a pseudopodia. Okay, pseudopodia means they have so many false like food. Okay, it is pseudopodia. It is a food. Okay, so we have a food now. So amoeba also have a food. Okay, so what will happen with the help of a food? So they take the all the food material inside their body. So after taking food material, this pseudopodia will be it will be lodges. Okay, so that's why it is called a pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means false food. Okay, pseudopodia means false food. Okay, so false food why? Because after taking the food material inside the body, it will be lost. Okay, it will be lost. Then after what will happen? So these are called pseudopodia. Okay, so these are called pseudopodia. Okay, so after taking the food, what will happen? The food material are stored in the where food vacuole. So amoeba have a food vacuole. What will happen in the food vacuole? So many enzyme. Okay, enzyme are secreted here. So these enzyme digestion the food material. Okay, so the food vacuole releases so many enzyme. With the help of enzyme, so it is digested the food. Okay, after digestion the food. Okay, so the food are the remaining waste material. Okay, you think about the remaining waste material. Okay, so means they are sandwas. Okay, so it will be releases with the in the water. Okay, so it is releases to water. So in this way amoeba digestion happen. Okay, so these they have a pseudopodia. So these pseudopodia are called a false food. So these false food capture the food. Okay, so what will happen? So this is the body na. So what will happen? They capture like this and they take the food inside the body. After it is the pseudopodia will be lodged. Okay, so in this way amoeba the digestion will happen in the amoeba. Okay, so now discuss how the process of digestion. Okay, so how the digestion is happen. Okay, so what will happen? So first of food material. Okay, so first food material what will happen? So the amoeba inject means take with the injection. Okay, injection will happen. Injection means see first trap the food. Okay, with the help of a pseudopodia means false food. Okay, so first food material. Okay, then injection will be over. Then after injection what will happen? Digestion. Okay, digestion already you know the breakdown of a complex food into simpler form is called a digestion. So means injection means to take the food inside the body. Then after injection, what will happen? Digestion happen in the food vacuole. Okay, it is secreted some enzyme which help in the digestion. After digestion, what will happen? So it is the absorption started. Absorption means the utilization of okay, so absorption means it is the utilization of a food. Okay, utilization of a food inside the body. After absorption what will happen? Then assimilation happen. Assimilation already you know. So assimilation means so the food material. Okay, the food material okay are flow in the blood to each and every part of the amoeba. Okay, so first what will happen? Injection means they capture the food or trap the food. After trap the food the food will be entered to the body. In the body, food vehicle is there. So in that food vehicle, it is secreted enzyme which is digested the food. Okay, so then digestion happen where food vacuole. Then absorption is start. Absorption means the utilization of food. Then after utilization, it is assimilation. Assimilation means the food material it is transferred to each and every part of the amoeba. Then assimilation, what will happen? Then ejection over. Ejection over means the remaining, okay, the remaining waste material, okay, the remaining waste material. You think about the sawdust, okay. So we are doing two numbers now. So we are in injection we are doing, okay. So like this, amoeba also they remove the waste material by the process of called ejection, okay. So in this way, the digestion in amoeba will happen. So when you go through the 8th 9th class, so we will discuss more about the amoeba and the digestion, then the reproduction, all the things, so many things is there in 7th standard. That much only is there. So you have to that much only learn, okay. So in this way digestion happen, okay. So another one thing, listen. Okay, so how, okay, so how the digestion is happen, or the how the injection happen, okay. So injection is happen, okay, is happen through phagocytosis, okay. So phagocytosis means okay, they are pinching, okay, they are pinching means this like this, okay. Phagocytosis means they are breaking down, okay. So injection through the phagocytosis. Question will happen. The injection of amoeba is happen by this process. So it is the phagocytosis. Okay. Then after injection, digestion in happen where food vacuole. Okay. After food vacuole, absorption is happen. Absorption means the utilization of food. Okay. Write down. Utilization of food. Then assimilation means transport to each and every part of body. Okay, so ejection means removal of waste. Clear? So how the injection happen through phagocytosis, okay. So injection happening by the phagocytosis. After injection, digestion happen in the food vacuole. After food digestion, the absorption will happen where? So in the food vacuole. With absorption means utilization of food, okay. After absorption, then assimilation happen. So assimilation means transport of nutrient each and every part of a body. Okay, then after assimilation ejection happen ejection happen. So ejection means the removal of waste things. Okay, so this is about the digestion in amoeba. Okay, so this chapter finished. So next period I will discuss your question answer. Till you have to complete all the class work. Okay, I will check. Okay, so you should bring to the your class work to school. I will check. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.